y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Jared.
We catching hammers.
And we catching hammers. My channel, we're down here in South Louisiana, in the outdoors, hunting, fishing, and doing anything else they got associated with Mother Nature. Today, we're down here in Gibson, Louisiana. Got my buddy Justin with me, and my buddy Brock. And we're doing a little fishing. Summertime's wrapping up down here in South Louisiana, and the fishing's cranking up pretty good. Got a lot of small bass that are biting, a lot of bluegill, and a good bit of sockeye at the moment. So that's what we're doing today down here in the freshwater. Y'all come along for the ride. Got Justin using his spinning rod right now with a cork and a jig. I got my spinning reel with a cork and a hair jig right now, a little hand tied hair jig, about 2 foot of line and a cork. And Brock's fishing with a swim bait right now. We're just working this grass line. They got a big grass patch right here, and about 10 feet off they got a hard underwater grass line, and that's what we're fishing.
How's it going? That wasn't a bit big.
Let's go. First fish of the morning, a little crappie. Let's go. Feel some air. Oh,
I believe they got. Do you?
I have to show Brock how to catch a fish.
Yeah, because they ain't biting this big swim bait, I'll tell you that. They're biting it, but not
Little school bass.
It's all bad here.
We're going to trawl over here.
Nowhere.
Let's go. Fish all over the place. Let's go. We finally got Brock Jude on the board. Oh, get him, Brock. Atta boy. Dude, as soon as I was looking at you, as soon as my cork hit the water, it was gone.
Oh, yeah.
Atta boy.
I don't think the sockeye bite's starting to die off, huh?
Oh, bro. Atta boy. That's some fun, huh? They hitting it like 5 feet from the boat.
Yeah. Dude, ball pulled down.
Oh, what you got, Justin?
I don't know, he was chasing me.
Let's see him.
This thing would never get enough. Little bass.
Bass. Yeah.
We choked it.
Bass on the front of the boat, bass on the back of the boat.
How about that? I'm Brock.
I'm the only one missing one right now. Awesome. Oh, there he is. I don't know what that is, but it's massive, dude. Yeah, probably.
Brock. It's a little bad.
No, it's a gorefish. Yeah, I need my jig back. Oh,
I ain't grabbing that.
he can't have my hair jig. Y'all, that was crazy. We just gonna have to net that gorefish. I wasn't losing this hair jig.
Yeah, see.
Oh, that was a big one, Brock, whatever that was.
Right there. I just think I caught too many bass with that other hook.
Oh, there he is. Good stuff. Stay consistent, I'm Brock.
That's right. Go back for him, always. Heard that splash? You hear that as soon as it hit the water, tried to get out the air.
Come on, bro, like a mahi on a like a mahi on a flying fish. Oh, dude, that was all you, bro. That was all you. Dang. Bruh, whatever's going on to you is happening to Justin right here.
Really big fish.
Same.
He's on me right now.
Got him. Well, that I don't think that's the same fish.
I don't think so. One's bigger.
No, the one, dude, Justin missed one that was huge.
Alright, we'll see.
I can't even watch my cork. My rod keeps tugging. Let's go. This dude here, flying. You got flying fish?
On the water? Big hammer.
Oh.
I know I threw a frog for a while, but no.
That's basically when catching everything off.
But another one I did. This one wasn't getting off. It's catching everything off, bro.
A little Slim Jim. Oh. Watch out.
Get out the grass. This one that, bro. Yeah. I don't know what's going on. Yeah. Got some salad with them. I'm about to do something.
That SOG. Yeah. Her Cheryl sent you a picture. Oh.
Boy, they gonna that grass. Quick,
Dude.
Oh, he smoked it right here.
They get in that grass, they get heavy.
No doubt. What?
They get in that grass and they get really heavy. All right.
I ain't got many of these.
That bass hit that line, boy. Felt good. Made me forget about them sockily real quick.
I don't know if it's on my string.
You think he ate your string?
Like, I don't know if like the string he ran. I'm running over a fish with my string, feeling that feeling a bite.
Yep. Looked like that one ran over the string too.
That ran my string also.
Let's go.
Ooh, got him barely by the little lip.
By the little lip.
Can't get him out of there. Bro, that's your fish right there.
That's the one you missed. Yeah, it's crazy you just say that because I was just thinking he's smoking a fish. He's about to drink
About
it.
to crack a cold one.
Yeah.
You seeing it?
I
wasn't looking at it.
No, I saw it. I saw it jump just
You were
now.
waiting for me to crack one, huh?
Uh-huh.
I didn't bring that today. Yeah.
Attaboy, Mr. Nichols football.
That's right. Our alumni. Yeah, we have to see him always catching. Another ham.
Oh, 40 foul. All right, we're gonna pick up and go try back where we started at this morning, popping the corks for crappie. Picked up quite a few bass over there, so hoping to get back on that, have a little fun with them.
Yeah, the trolling motor, I can barely put the trolling motor in the water. I got so much grass.
Got a smoke coming off of that thing.
Another one for the team back the boat. Front deck.
We literally just pulled up right here. I'm grabbing the camera and all. Brock's first cast out. He's tight, so we're back where we first started this morning. I'm gonna grab my Sockeye rig and get back after it.
We just got it.
Oh, watch out. Let's go.
Oh, we got trouble there.
Look. First cast.
Good, we'll finish quick.
On the frog.
Oh,
Watch out, broccoli.
choked it.
Hammer.
Big hammer.
Pen and paper. Oh!
Woo-hoo. Bro, why you don't catch him like that? Go. Oh, flip. Oh. Not bad. That's the one he just let go.
That boy Brock hot right
You
now.
have to help me out a little bit.
That boy Brock hot right now.
I saw a damn frog on.
You got him on the frog.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Ooh, hammer good.
That's right.
Whoa.
Check him out. And he's just back there, he's just sitting back there watching.
I'm trying to see what that's all about. Yeah. What you mean it shut off? He's just trolling.
That man said his arm's tight. His arm hurts. But you've been fishing hard. Get on that grass. Ah, let's go. All right. Y'all starting to warm up. It is 10:02 and it's getting hot. Try to fish for a little bit longer and then we're gonna take it into the house.
Look at all these damn bass you catch them.
Oh, nice tackle. Let's go.
Bro, you had a bite yet? Yeah. Got to rerun that stuff.
Well, we heading on in. See y'all back at the launch.
Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah, you good? Well, y'all, we can go ahead and get the boat hooked up. Appreciate y'all watching, coming along on the ride with us. If y'all enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you got any comments or questions, y'all drop that down below. And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything whenever we upload new videos. Again, I appreciate y'all watching. I'll catch y'all on the next one. See ya.